Okay, folks, I'm back over at my buddy Donnie's shop over here in Youngsville, my neighbor. And in addition to the beautiful Pontiac Grand Prix that I showed you, he's also got this 69 Z28 RS Camaro. Now this car is obviously one he's working on. It's a project, and he as I told you on the Pontiac video, he restored it. So he's going to do a beautiful job on this. You can see he's already well along. Now this was an original 302 small block car with a 4-speed. And he has swapped in a 396 out of a Chevelle, a 69 Chevelle in it. Still has the 4-speed. Check out those tubular control arms. Ain't that something? This baby's gonna be sweet. She's gonna drive good. Look at the little hideaway headlights. That's a Rally Sport standard equipment there. And we're gonna do a separate video on that here in just a little bit. And the color, he's gonna put it back the original color, Fathom Green. Not Phantom, Fathom, like the depth of the ocean. And look at this bodywork, man. Is this not beautiful? This is a real high quality car right here. Look at this glass. Ain't that something? Look at that. Beautiful car, beautiful. We're gonna work over it now. It's got a 12-bolt Chevy rear end with a 373 posi. It's got subframe connectors. And keep working our way around. Admire the bodywork. He's already trimmed it out in the green. That is a beautiful green, by the way. Green's making a comeback. I hope you guys like that. I hope you guys can appreciate original color. Look at this. Look at this door jamb. Oh my goodness. Is that not beautiful? Okay, check out the 3 pedals. The favorite thing about this car, 3 pedals in the big block. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. Rally Sport steering wheel. Look at this. Very nice car. We're going to come back and visit this car in a few months when some more work's been done to it. But feast your eyes on this car, guys. This is a beauty. All right, folks, later on.